Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that every developer, including myself, has struggled with at some point: launching a SaaS. Not the idea, not the features, but all the invisible boilerplate work that slows us down before we ever reach a single user. And that's exactly why I want to introduce you to something that genuinely surprised me: EasyLaunchPad. If you've ever built a SaaS from scratch, you know how painful the foundation is. Authentication takes days. Payment integrations like Stripe or Paddle take even longer. Roles and permissions feel endless. Background jobs need configuring. Logging never works right the first time, and email workflows break at the worst moments. By the time you finish all that, you've spent 2 to 3 months and haven't even touched your actual product. EasyLaunchPad solves that. It gives you a fully built, production-ready SaaS foundation in .NET Core. We're talking secure login with Google, Stripe, and Paddle already integrated, user and roles management, welcome and billing emails, Hangfire scheduling, an admin dashboard with summaries, Serilog logging, Tailwind CSS, and Daisy UI for a modern UI, and complete EF Core migrations with seed data. All the boring stuff is done, so you can focus entirely on what makes your app unique. What makes it even better is that it evolves over time. You get future modules like AI engine management, blogging tools, SEO automation, email marketing systems, and enterprise-level access control, all included with your license. And the best part? There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. You can try it, build with it, and if it's not for you, you keep your copy anyway. If you want to learn more about EasyLaunchPad, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.